everyone, myself Dr. Shivakant Pathak is available in front of you to take one famous topic in the current electricity, that is Wheatstone bridge. So concept of Wheatstone bridge is too much important here in the current electricity, and to understand what it is and how this bridge balance condition we are obtaining here in this case. So to understand the fact, let us see the explanation. What is this Wheatstone bridge? Is the spatial arrangement of four resistances. It is spatial arrangement of four resistances. We have a four resistance. We are connecting in four resistance in spatial arrangement, that is in form of parallelogram. So resistances are connected according to the arms of parallelogram, right? Let us see the diagram how these four resistances in spatial arrangement, they are connected like the arms of parallelogram, and what are the speciality of this spatial combination. So see here, in this case, here is one resistance, two second resistance, third resistance. Here four resistances are connected according to the arms of parallelogram. The name of these resistances we are taking here in this way, P. Second one is connected with treated as a Q. Third one is here R, and it is S. These are the resistances. The name of the terminals are here taken A, B, C and D. Between terminal A and C, see in the diagram very carefully, it is first of all connected with the supply EMF cell battery. Thereafter it is connected with this is a symbol of key. Now it is connected with point C. Hearing it, and between the bridge other diagonals is connected here with galvanometer. And here is the second key is connected. Clear? This arrangement is called Wheatstone arrangement. If any circuit in the current electricity is connected by this combination, this model, then it is called Wheatstone bridge arrangement. Right? Here in this C here, with the cell current I is flowing. Let this current is I. When it is reach at A, it is divided in two parts. This part is called I1 and I2. It is divided in two parts, I1 and I2, at junction A. Right? Now see, this white is called Wheatstone bridge. See, when this arrangement are made and both key are pressed, when first key is pressed, then current is flown and second key is pressed, or we can say both key is pressed, means both key is on, not at off position. Then deflection is obtained in the galvanometer. But if you are selecting the resistances of four resistances P, Q, R, S in such a way that no deflection flow in a galvanometer, a certain conditions is obtained in such a way that no deflection in a galvanometer. No deflection in a stage is obtained. It obtained at a certain case. Certain case. No deflection in a galvanometer, then it is called bridge balance. Bridge balance condition. What is a balance bridge condition? When there is no deflection in a galvanometer, a stage is reached, right? So it is obtained in such a way, it is a special arrangement on selecting the specific value of the resistances P, Q, R and S. Then it is possible only, right? Now, here, what is the condition of bridge we are going to see? We have two loop number 1 here and loop number 2. And in this loop, we are going to obtain Kirchhoff's law. This is apply Kirchhoff's second law. That is called loop law. That is KVL, potential difference. So what is that? Net potential flowing in a loop is equal to the total EMF. So here it is, two resistances are here and no cell. So it is a total I1 in P, right? I1 in P with negative sign, and here I2 in R, and no cell flow in this mesh. So it can be represented by equation 1 here. Now apply Kirchhoff's second law in loop 2. In here in loop second line second loop. So when we apply, see here, if no connection is no current is flowing through a diagonal where galvanometer is connected, so same current I1 will be here and I2 will be here. By combining, it will be again I in this case. So under this condition, minus I1 is flowing in R in a Q resistances, plus I2 is flowing in S resistances, and in this loop also no cell is there. So this is equation number 2. Now see, from equation 1 and 2 we can draw, this is can be written as I1P is equal to I2, this is P, this is Q, and I1 it is I1P, it is R, I1P here in this loop it is R, so it is R here, and I1Q is equal to I2S. So this implies that P by divide with both, P by Q is equal to R by S. If this mathematical factor is called condition of bridge balance. So if this mathematical condition satisfy, then bridge is balance. One thing, if P by Q becomes exactly equal to R by S. See, in the practical arrangement, one thing keep in mind, when you are going to prove this Wheatstone bridge experiment, in that condition, all four resistance must be taken of same order. So we may say for greater sensitivity, all four resistances, that is P, Q, R and S, must be of same order. When you are doing meter bridge experiment is based on this. Bridge arrangement experiment is based on it, a Wheatstone bridge, in which we are obtaining the resistance of wire by applying the Wheatstone principle. So this is for today. Thank you and have a